Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping at Patagonia Lake State Park in Arizona, and we just unwrapped our 4-ingredient Samoa Icebox Cakes. Let me show you how we made them. Now, I've never made this before. I just think it's going to taste good, so I guess we'll see. So we've got some Cool Whip right here. I found these really yummy looking chocolate covered raspberries. Samoa Girl Scout cookies, and some banana chips. So, first we're going to put in a layer of Cool Whip. My YouTube feed has been full of different icebox cakes recently, so I just kind of wanted to make one up and see what happens. Then, I'm just going to try to push that down into the bottom a little bit. Now we'll do some Samoas. Those fit perfectly right around the edge. These things are huge. We'll do a couple of these in each one. Now we'll do another layer of the Cool Whip. Each layer of Cool Whip is 2 tablespoons. There are still a few gaps in there, so on this layer I am going to put in a little bit more Cool Whip. Now the whole idea of an icebox cake is you build it up with the cookies and the cream, and then you leave it in the refrigerator overnight, and the cookies are going to soak up all the liquid out of the cream, and it's going to turn into a cake-like consistency. Now we'll do a layer of banana chip. Now we'll just split up the rest of our Cool Whip. And then we've got 3 Samoas left. Now, just to make it extra pretty. And I think that looks pretty darn yummy. Let's see what it looks like in the morning. I'm just going to cover this up with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.